Hey there! Want to make some extra cash while binge watching your favorite videos? In this video, we're diving into a super cool app that lets you watch videos and actually earn real money. So grab your snacks, kick back, and let's explore this fun way to boost your wallet. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find it helpful, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive in. Want to get paid for binge watching videos? Meet DollarTub, the free app that lets you watch videos and earn real cash while you relax. Dive into tons of fun content, from hilarious clips to exciting trailers, and turn your screen time into cash time. Imagine lounging on the couch, enjoying countless videos, and watching your earnings grow. How sweet is that? DollarTub is a cool rewards platform where you can chill and make some cash in your free time. Just watch videos, do online surveys, install apps, complete tasks, or check out ads. It's an easy way to turn downtime into money. DollarTub always hooks up its members with the best payouts on all offers and surveys compared to other sites. You can generally expect to earn between 61 cents and 99 cents per video, which is pretty decent for a site offering this kind of earning opportunity. And guess what? The videos are just 30 to 40 seconds long. A cool way to make some extra cash on DollarTub is by getting people to join through their referral program. Just share your invite link with friends or anyone you want to bring on board. Once they click the link and sign up, they become your referral. You'll snag a $5 reward right away, plus you'll get an extra 10% every time your referral earns from DollarTub. Wondering how to withdraw your earnings from DollarTub? It's simple and convenient. DollarTub provides 4 flexible payout options to suit your needs: PayPal, Paytem, Cash App, and direct bank transfer. With these choices, you can easily access your funds in the way that works best for you. Don't miss out on this easy way to earn. Download DollarTub today and start making money from your favorite videos. It's completely free. Before we finish up, I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever tried DollarTub or any other money-making apps? How did it go for you? Leave a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, we'd love it if you could give us a like, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Catch you in the next one.